Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use live translation in text messages on Google Pixel 10a. First of all, to enable this feature, you're gonna need to insert a SIM card into your smartphone, and after that go to Settings, scroll down to System menu. Then in System menu, we're gonna have to scroll down to Live Translate feature and turn it on. If you don't see it here, in the same System menu, you can check Software Updates and check whether your software is up to date. Then, to use this feature, just open the regular text application, and then if you want to translate any image in here, you're gonna have to download the language that you want to translate from. So go back to Settings, go to System, go to Live Translate feature, and here we can add a language to translate from. So this message was in Polish, so let's add this language here. And we're gonna be translating to English. Let's wait for the Polish package to be downloaded. Okay, now let's return to the Messages application. And right now we should be able to see the translation option right here. So we can select English, and this will translate the message that we received. And so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.